So, respected teacher, my dear friends and teammates, and my esteemed opponents, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all. So, today we all have congested here to debate on a very interesting and on a very exciting topic, which is about the practicals and assignments. That should the students be given practicals and assignments or not? So, since so long, trust me guys, since so long I was looking forward to debate on this topic. Because once in the life, in every student's heart, this thing must have come that this task of making assignments and practical must be abolished from our education system. This thing must have come in every student's heart. And if it didn't come in your hearts, so I doubt on you being students. So let's embark the debate with my arguments. My first and the biggest reason which makes me stand in front of all of you is about the diversion from the syllabus. You know what? These practicals and assignments are nothing but the diversion from the syllabus and the distraction from the syllabus. Let me clear this thing by taking an example of Sikkim project. Sikkim project in 2019, so many Indian students were given a project that was Sikkim. In one subject I understand, but in every subject, in science, maths, Hindi, English, ST, in every subject they were given the same topic, Sikkim project. I mean, even today, till today I am unable to understand that what was the problem with the Indian education department, that they gave the same topic to everyone. So that's why the students diverted from their syllabus. They did not perform well in their exams. That is, and this is just an example, and there are many more examples which can prove this thing. And this person had come in last turn and he had mentioned about a utopia world, that that practicals are not this, practicals are those, which he was moving and all ahead, and he was moving his hand also. So listen, you all are living today in a utopia world and a dream world, that practicals are not this, practicals are those. Listen, the practicals are those which take place in our school. The real meaning he told, the practical, the real meaning he told. Anxiety, depression, burden, pressure, nothing more than it. This is the real meaning of the practicals. The reality is before you, but you do not want to see the reality, okay? Come out from your dream world, okay? Next thing is about USA, China, no, development of the country. As we all know that the development of the country depends on its students. So similarly, the development of India depends on us, okay? But what is happening in our country, India? Let me tell you that. In our country, India, every year the students are given 20 marks. 20 marks are not less. 20 marks on the behalf of the practicals and assignments. And I believe that just by writing some pages, just by decorating some stars and all, this thing can never tell the ability of any student. This thing can never tell the ability of any student for even 20 marks. And when the behalf of giving 20 marks is wrong, is not good, so how can the students of that country be good? How can the future of that country be good? How can the development of that country be good? We are talking about India, okay? And in other countries, if I talk about, they all were telling that because of practicals, the other countries, USA, Japan, China, these countries are developing. But you all are wrong here. This is the era of vocationalization. In Switzerland, Germany, in every country, there is vocationalization. Every students are doing vocationalized courses. That's why they are well developed than our country. It is not the reason. Practicals are not the reason there. That's it. Now you may tell your opinion.
You know what, sister, as you are mentioning about the thought, like in every student's heart, the thought comes that the practicals should be banned. You know which kind of thoughts come in the heart of the students? What else? Like teachers should not teach, exams should not be there, homework should not be there, holidays should be there, we should not go to the school. So these all thoughts should be real, and these all thoughts are better in your approach. Sister, first of all, this is not like this. Okay, I don't think so that if the thought is coming in the heart of a student that practicals should be abolished, so we will just abolish the practicals. It is not like this.
You are talking about thoughts of holidays and all. This corrupt person comes and talk about the practicals. Who gives bribe to his sister
That's
to
not
make
bribe.
files? That's bribe. You pay for that. That's bribe, okay? So don't talk about the thoughts and all. You're not deservable to it, okay?
Okay, wanna speak something?
Yeah.
First of all,
May I speak? Should I speak?
then you will not stop me.
Okay. Speak.
First of all, I want to ask a simplest question ever someone has asked to you, except me.
Okay.
that is, what do you know about crow? Tell
Should
me.
I answer?
Yes, of
Crow
course.
is crow. Crow is a bird.
Crow is a bird. That's, if I ask this same thing to a special child, you know, sir, what about the special child? Like, so if I ask this same thing to a special child, he will not be able to answer me. And if I just try to tell him that crow is a bird, crow is black, nothing is coming in his mind until I show him the practical, and until I just catch a crow and I show, see, this is the crow. He will not be able to understand that this is the crow.
Okay.
So it is not only important for me, for you, for all of us, but also it is boon, and even it is God gifted
But-
for those people who are physically challenged.
Let
Okay.
me tell. For practical also we need theoretical knowledge. Okay, as they all were also talking about English speaking, and Bashir, he gave us experiment here. He didn't know that so many more experiments are there in chemistry. So many hazardous chemicals are there. Now let me tell you about the practicals of humanities and mathematics and means commerce students. What they have to do in the practicals? Can you tell me? Can you answer this question?
Who?
The commerce students and humanities
First
students.
of all, I am
What
in
should
the
they
arts,
do?
so I cannot tell about the commerce people.
So arts, tell me about the arts.
What?
Yeah,
What
what
did they
should
tell?
we do in the practicals?
Like,
Like what?
what should we do?
He
Listen,
will not
listen,
answer.
listen.
He will not answer.
I'm telling. Let me
telling.
speak. If I had been the directorate of education. So first of all, I would make some films. Like if there is Mahatma Gandhi chapter, so I would make the film on the Mahatma Gandhi. If there would be Bholi one, I would make on the Bholi. If there would be the third level, I would just pour the suspenses which they cannot understand, and which, you know, it will be like amazing. So by the movie they can understand better. Violence, we know because we have seen the movie.
But let me tell you that for theoretical knowledge, for practical also we need theoretical knowledge.
I know, we need
Let me tell
theory.
you, as he did the experiment here, so without theory, if he
Okay.
didn't know the theory, how could he do that practical?
Listen.
Let me give the example of swimming and all. There is example that for swimming we need practicals. For driving a car, we cannot learn the driving car in the classroom. But for that also we need theory. We need to learn. So first the theory comes. We need to give the priority first to the theory, then to the practicals.
So just last. You know what? According to the survey of 2019,
Okay.
80% of the engineers, 80% of the Indian engineers do not fit for job. Like there are 100 engineers. So out of 100 engineers, just 20% engineers become the engineers, get the job. What about those 80 people who are not getting the
but
job?
what is happening in our
Listen,
country?
just let me speak. They become the batti wala, bajli wala, bijli wala, bhaiya come here. They become this thing. After learning these all difficult things, aerodynamic, this dynamic, that dynamic, after learning these all things, they become the batti wala, sir. And they work on the 25 footer. What is this?
Okay.
They are unable to get the job. Why is it happening? Because of the practicals. They know it is like that, but they have never seen in the real life.
What is happening in our country? Students are given 20 marks. 20 marks are not less. Okay. Students are given 20 marks on the behalf of the practicals and file. And those practical file, how do they make? By giving bribes and by making the other person do that practicals. So this is the way to do the practicals, and don't live any kind of fantasy. Talk about that thing, what is right, what is actually happening in our country.
Okay.
Don't live any kind of imagination. Okay, that's it.